Hi! In front of me is OPPO A98 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google autofill. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Now click on your account at the top and tap on Preferable one, in my case this one. Then select Autofill section, click on Autofill with Google and tap on this switcher, the green one, next to Use Autofill with Google. After you click on it, if it's gray, that means that autofill is disabled. You can enable it by choosing the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!